To bind off knitwise, you begin by loosely knitting the first 2 stitches of your work, of your row. So 1 and 2. Then you take that first stitch and you pull it over top of the second stitch. So now there's only 1 stitch left on your right hand needle. You now loosely knit the next stitch and take the first stitch, pass it over the second. Do that again, knit the next stitch, first stitch over top of the second, and you keep doing that until there's just 1 loop left on your right hand needle and none left on your left. Okay, last one, knit this last stitch, pull this first stitch over the second stitch. There's only 1 stitch left on your right hand needle, none on your left. You can cut the yarn, and you can then take your cut end and feed it through this loop, pull it tight, and weave in your ends. There you have the bind off knitwise.